Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'll be telling you introduction to the DBMS. So DBMS stands for Database Management System. Any website you consider in today's world, all the websites deals with some or the other part of the database. So without database, we can't do anything. So database, when it comes to this, we will deal with only two languages, that is your SQL and another one is your NoSQL. So SQL stands for structured query language and NoSQL stands for not only structured query language. So what is the difference between structured query language and NoSQL? So in structured query language, any data which is present, it will be stored in the form of tables. But in NoSQL, I can store even images, any type of formats, even PDFs, everything I can store. So NoSQL has a better advantage when it is compared to SQL. But writing queries using these two languages are super easy. So let us understand what is the full form of SQL and everything. So SQL, the relational database standard. So SQL stands for structured query language. It is one of the main reasons where relational databases became more successful. So writing a query using SQL, it feels like as if we are writing an English sentence. Since it is a very simple and easy to use, users can easily integrate their applications from one relational databases to another without rewriting everything. Let me give a comparison between relational algebra and SQL. So when we compare relational algebra and SQL has an advantage over relational algebra. And likewise, when we compare SQL and NoSQL has a better advantage than SQL. So I'll be telling in more in detail what is the difference between SQL and NoSQL in the upcoming video. But as of now, I'll be telling you the difference between relational algebra and SQL. So SQL, it is a type of a declarative language. For example, if I want to tell a query using SQL, I will tell it as create table name followed by attribute and its data type, semicolon. That's it. If I want to retrieve or fetch what is present in the table, I'll write select star from table name. That's it. Whatever it is present in the table, everything I'll be able to fetch it. And in SQL, we'll be focusing more on what result they want. And we'll just try select with conditions. It is more easier and user friendly. When it comes to relational algebra, we will consider how to get the result. That is sequence of operations. Here we'll deal with complex relational operations like union, intersection, join operations, everything. So here when we write a query using relational algebra, first we are supposed to perform the join, then selection, and then we have to perform the projection. So I'll be telling in detail about selection and projection also in the upcoming videos. So as of now, let us know what is the difference between relational algebra and SQL. So using relational algebra, it is very technical and complex to use. So from this, we are able to get to know that SQL has a better advantage compared to relational algebra because SQL focuses on what they want and but not how to get it. So DBMS will decide the best way to execute the query. So with this note, I'll be ending the video. Keep supporting me and share these videos to everyone. Thank you.